Officials from the Nigerian Union of Local Government Employees, Local Government Service Commission, Pension and Transition Department, Loans Board and Local Government Staff Training School are participants at the training held in Akure, the Ondo State capital. In a welcome address, the Permanent Secretary of Local Government Service Commission, Mrs. Adenike Ogunshola, enjoined participants not to see the workshop as business as usual, but tap from the wealth of experience of the facilitators. The chairman, Local Government Service Commission, Mr. Femi Idris, said the training is an avenue to further broaden workers' knowledge, which in turn translates to growth and development of the commission. He thanked Governor Akure the Ondo for his commitment to workers' welfare, as well as training and retraining of workers for better service delivery.
In this new dispensation, especially under the 8-point agenda of the government, codenamed the Build Agenda, we are expected to be above board in the discharge of our duties. We must at all times be alive to our responsibilities. As individuals, we should be able to justify salaries and enrollments being received at the end of the month.
The training began in earnest after Mr. Idris declared it open. A seasoned administrator, Mr. Akinfagunloye, took the first session with emphasis on administration and office management in the local government service vis-a-vis the place of staff regulations, labor relations through effective leadership and management in the local government service, international public sector accounting standards, relevance and usefulness in records keeping in the local government, among other critical issues, will form part of the training. For 3 days, the consciousness of participants will again be reawakened to the ethics of administrative processes. Juliet Buna, OSRC News.